The process that we follow when someone calls in and says that they want to work on their accent, whether it's a foreign accent or a regional dialect, first step is to get them into the office and do an evaluation. So we do a thorough evaluation of all the American consonants and vowels. We also make note of vocabulary issues and grammar issues. Many times with strong Southern accents, we see some grammatical errors, and definitely in foreign accent, we see grammatical errors. And so once that evaluation is completed, we actually test all the words, and then we do a conversational speech sample, making notes of everything that we see and hear. And after that, the client leaves and we do an assessment. So we actually debrief on the information we have and develop a plan of action. And we use a set of materials that is where I receive training and some of my consultants receive training in. We use that program and begin the coaching sessions. They're usually 1 hour, usually 7 to 13 weeks of 1 hour one-on-one coaching. It takes a lot of practice to modify an accent. The recording of the voice is very important because you want the speaker to be able to recognize for themselves when their accent, when their speaking pattern is off the target. And so most of our clients have phones that will record. Back in the day, we used an old cassette tape recorder, but now we have individuals with phones that record. And so we record speech patterns, problem words, problem phrases, so that they can practice those in between sessions. There's also a set of recorded materials they can access electronically via the internet, and they have assignments from week to week based on what they need to work on.